Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change lock screen picture and wallpaper in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer and I'm going to show you how we can change our lock screen wallpaper. First of all, we need to go to our setting. I'm going to click on the start menu and then I'm going to go to the settings. Okay, in the settings, we can go to the personalization. And here we'll be able to change our lock screen wallpaper. Go to the lock screen setting. And then here you can choose the personalize your lock screen. And now I'm using Windows Spotlight. And I'm going to change it to picture. And then you can choose the picture you want to set as your lock screen wallpaper. For instance, I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and now the wallpaper has been applied, and then I'm going to check it. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to lock my screen. Okay, this is the result, and I'm going to go back. And okay guys, that's all the way to change lock screen wallpaper on Windows 11 or 10. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.